Hi everyone, this is Mohammad Shafi Sardar, Faculty of Computer Science, Sri Gausideshwara Arts, Science and Commerce College, Koppal. So in today's session, we are going to discuss how to download Tally ERP9. So Tally ERP9 software can be downloaded from the official website of Tally Solutions, that is https://tallysolutions.com. So here this website is going to provide a menu called download. From the download menu you have to choose Tally ERP9, then it will give another two choices, where if you want to install your Tally directly from the website to the computer, choose install now. So otherwise you can also select download for later. So it is going to download your Tally in your computer. Later you can install Tally in the system with the customizing settings. Then how to start Tally? So when you install your Tally, it is going to place an icon on your desktop. You can start your Tally just by double clicking on your Tally ERP9 icon. Otherwise, you can also select the options from start menu, from the programs, click on Tally ERP9. Then it is going to start your Tally on the screen. So when you start your Tally, first it shows welcome screen, and after that it is going to provide a startup screen with four choices. So in the first choice, licensing operations. If you have a license, then you can activate your Tally just by entering your key, so license key. Okay, so otherwise if you want to work with a remote system of tally.net user, then you have to select the second option and enter your username and password, and you can access remotely your Tally. Or if you are using your Tally only for learning purpose and practice purpose, you don't have license, then without buying the license of Tally, you can work with in work in education mode, third option. Or if you want to come back from the Tally, just select the fourth option, quit. So these are the four options provided in the startup screen. So when you start your Tally, the Tally screen shows different components with different options. So I am going to show you one by one. So for it shows 8 options on the screen. So first, the title bar, where it shows the Tally version and name of the Tally, and then horizontal button bar. So it has some settings on language and keyboards, and if you want to get a help from Tally, you can go with horizontal button bar. And there is a X mark at the right side. So this is a close button. If you want to close your Tally, just click on the X button. And from the bottom, so at the bottom you have a task bar which always shows which task you are working now in Tally. So the status of Tally is going to show in the task bar. Then the left part of your Tally screen is gateway of Tally. Here you are going to provide with the current period, the financial period, and the current date of transactions, and the company, which company at present you are working, the name of the company, and as well as the date of last entry of transactions. And to the right side you have a company info menu. So from the menu you can choose different options to work in Tally. If you want to create a company, backup, restore, there are so many options are there. These are the menu options. You can select the menus just by clicking on the menu option, or from the keyboard by selecting the highlighted key, like select company. Yes is red, that is a highlighted key, hot key, then you can press the yes to select the select company. And from the bottom, so you have a info panel, so that shows the information about your Tally. So whether you are working in which type of mode. So if you started your Tally in education mode, it shows at the bottom info panel. And after that, so calculator area is there. So if you want to do some calculations, basic arithmetic operations, just you can jump to the calculator mode just by clicking on the area. Otherwise, press Ctrl N to switch between the menu to the calculator. And you can switch back to the menu just by pressing Ctrl M. And to the right side, you have a button toolbar. So when you open your company, then you will get so many options with the button toolbar. These are the screen components provided by Tally when you start the Tally. And if you want to exit your Tally, there is a simple option. Press escape key if you want to come out from the any window or screen in the Tally, and it will ask the confirmation, quit, yes, no. Press Y to confirm it, to close or quit the Tally. Okay. So otherwise you can use without confirmation, you can close your Tally just by pressing Ctrl Q. Okay. Or you can click on the X mark available at the right top menu to close the Tally. So start your Tally, you need to double click on Tally ERP9 icon from the desktop. So here is the icon, just double click. So it is going to show the first welcome screen. So this is what a Power of Simplicity Tally.erp9. It's a welcome screen for Tally. And after that, it is going to show the startup screen where it is going to ask the license key or in what mode your Tally has to work. Okay. So if you get this error message, connection error, then press escape. Then your startup screen, you have to choose a work in education mode, because we are using Tally for learning purpose or practice purpose. Then you are going to get the Tally screen like this on the desktop. Okay, so Tally ERP9 is the title bar. After that, the horizontal button bar. At the bottom you have a status bar, and left side you have a info panel and a calculator. I am going to show you how to switch between calculator to company info menu and as well as calculator. So press Ctrl N. So when you press Ctrl N, you are going to jump to the calculator where your cursor is blinking. Suppose I want to do some addition like 10 plus 20, then it is going to show the answer as 30. So if you want to go back to the company info menu, press Ctrl N. So you are going to get back here. So here you can choose any options, and each option has a highlighted letter. So from the keyboard, if you press the highlighted letter, then also the menu company info menu option will be selected. If you want to exit this Tally, so just click on the quit option. Then it is going to ask the confirmation whether you want to close the Tally or not. Press yes. So now the Tally is quit from the. So this is what today's discussion. Thank you for watching.